With rulers and guides, you can really fine-tune the placement of objects in Flash. So on the stage here, I have a girl on a bicycle, and let's say I wanted to move her exactly 10 pixels from the right edge of the stage. So to do that, I can use rulers and guides. To show the rulers, you can go to View, Rulers, and then the rulers appear on the stage. You can view this in pixels, or in inches, or in centimeters. You can adjust those settings under Flash Preferences. So my stage width is 384 pixels. So I want the right edge of the biker to be at 374 pixels. So to do that, I'm going to drag out a guide. And to drag a guide, just click inside of the rulers and drag out. So I'm clicking and dragging out, and I can see that my cursor is updated, and there's a vertical line there, and I can click and drag to place the guide wherever I want. So I'm going to estimate where 10 pixels from the edge of the stage is and release my mouse button. You can now see that light blue guide has dropped onto the stage. One of the neat new features of Flash CS5 is that you can actually double-click a guide to put it in the exact right spot. So I'm going to do that. I'll double-click the guide, and then the Move Guide dialog box opens up. And I can see that the guide is at 368.95 pixels, and I actually want it to be at 374 pixels. So I'll put it there, and again, that's 10 pixels from the right edge of the stage. Notice that you can change the units here if you want to. I'll click OK. The guide updates, and now I can move the girl. When you snap something to a guide, you want to make sure that you have the Snap to Objects option selected. So go to the Selection tool, and at the bottom of the toolbar, make sure that magnet is selected. That's the Snap to Objects option. So this will enable objects on the stage to snap to guides when you move them around. So I can select the girl on the bike, and then click and drag her, and she will snap to that guide on the right side of the stage. So I'll release my mouse button. The girl snaps to the guide, and now she's exactly 10 pixels from the right edge of the stage. So using rulers and guides, you can fine-tune the placement of objects down to the pixel.